Eric, the demand for COVID testing is going up. Finding a test is proving to be its own challenge. NBC4's Karina Chung is live in Columbus. So, Karina, what problems have you learned about when it comes to getting a test?
Well, Carrie, when it comes to those rapid antigen tests, they are very difficult to find. I checked in with some local pharmacies online to see their stock, and several of them say completely out. Columbus Metropolitan Libraries has been giving out rapid COVID antigen tests all summer, but now
demand has spiked tremendously, and we are seeing that the demand is just simply outweighing the supply at this point.
When it comes to testing, some local health systems like Ohio Health are requiring a doctor referral. OSU Wexner Medical Center says it's averaging about 200 PCR tests a week for symptomatic patients scheduled day of or the next day. Mount Carmel says they have about 350 tests a day for pre-procedural, pre-admission, and symptomatic patients.
Individuals often call us after they feel like they've exhausted the local pharmacies and retail pharmacies.
Dr. Mashika Roberts with Columbus Public Health says they've helped refer people. I asked if there's a need for mass testing again.
We are exploring something like that again. Obviously, the Celeste Center is not available, so we're looking at some alternate locations where we can not only do the testing, but also provide the vaccine.
Dr. Joseph Castaldo says back in July, Ohio Health averaged about 1,000 tests a day. Now in September, it's more like 2,000.
There really is beginning to be a shortage of home antigen testing. And then also, too, when it comes to PCR testing and other molecular tests, there is also beginning to be a shortage of those again.
As for when local libraries will be stocked up with free tests yet again,
we did just get in a new shipment, but we anticipate those will not be available in our library locations until later this week.
And Dr. Castaldo says a big issue they're facing when it comes to testing is people showing up to emergency rooms trying to get a test. He says they're asking people not to do that. No, OSU Wexner Medical Center is also saying that please do not show up to an emergency room for that. But they have another issue as well. People scheduling an appointment and then not showing up, and those are limited as well. Local for you in Columbus, I'm Karina Chung, NBC4.